Welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys. It's your boy Brian Felix here, bringing you guys part 2 to the Mitsubishi Evo full detail and paint enhancement. So we actually charge around 500 bucks for this detail here, and we're only doing a one-step polish and gloss. It included the engine bay detail and included the interior cleaning, which you guys already saw. So if you didn't check out that video, make sure you go check out part 1 ASAP. Alright, so this is part 2. So what we're doing here is just prepping the vehicle, of course, just doing the basic stuff, just washing wheels, getting dirt and stuff off the vehicle as much as possible. And we're also going to go ahead and wash the car, clay bar it to get it ready for a quick one-step polish. So throughout the video, you're going to notice that this car really needed some, really, deep paint correction done to it, right? Because it had really bad scratches and swirls on the paint, which we tried to upsell the client on getting the two-step and just not focusing so much on the interior. But the customer wanted exactly what he wanted, and we weren't gonna go ahead and just bump heads with him and lose him entirely, right? So we went ahead and just gave him what he wanted and what he needed for his vehicle. Well, not what he needed, because he needed a two-step correction, but we gave him a one-step correction because that's the type of service that he was looking for, and that's the type of service that he could afford at the time, right? So we try to upsell a two-step, and then we try to also upsell a ceramic coating, later on in the future. And he was like, hey, I'll keep you guys in mind. He was just really emphasizing on the paint enhancement, the high gloss package that I offer. So we went ahead and knocked that out for him. Now the person that's helping me here is Tony's nephew. So if you guys notice, we're actually at Tony's from Router's Details garage. So let's bring the car inside, take a look at the paint, and I'm gonna just go ahead and talk a little bit about what we're gonna do, and you guys are gonna see the true condition under the light of what this black paint is actually looking like in the all right, YouTube, so you guys are seeing the after shots of a quick one-step polish here on this end of the hood. So that's what it looks like, and then this is what the other side is looking like. Mind you, we still gotta wipe and stuff like that, but you can see the scratches and the swirls on the paint. Now we aren't getting paid to do 2 passes on this vehicle, which is why we're gonna go ahead and stay with the one step, because that's what the customer wants, and that's what the type of results that he wants to get for his car. So as detailers, we see this sort of thing and we kind of think to ourselves, oh, maybe we'll just do 2 passes and just make the client happy. But one thing you guys got to realize is that time is precious, right? You're going to take a lot more time, and 2, you're going to use a lot of products and pads, and essentially you're going to do stuff for free, and we don't do that sort of stuff for free. Maybe a little trim for free, maybe engine bay for free, but hours of work, definitely not. So you guys see right there, look at that. It's really bad. And as detailers, we want to fix that sort of thing, right? I'm just looking, I'm like, I'm telling Tony, I'm like, dude, it needs 2 steps, just seeing it. But we're going to give the client what he wants, and he'll be happy. So that's all that matters. Once he comes pick it up, with this, mention to him that maybe further down the line, invest in getting a ceramic coating or something of that sort, right? So at least he'll know who to bring it to once it's complete. But yeah, Tony has very good lighting in the garage, so we can see everything. All right, YouTube, so after a team meeting, we have came to the conclusion that the hood will get 2-step correction, just because it's a little too bad for my liking, and we want to make the client happy and make it blend in with the rest of the vehicle. So the rest of the vehicle will be 1-step, and then the front hood will be 2-step, as well as the back bumper, because those are the 2 worst areas that need it the most. All right, you guys. So you guys are watching Tony right here. So he's actually doing a cut slash compound here with his Rupes polisher. Now, you know, we agreed on doing a two-step on the hood because it was just too bad. And the hood is very noticeable, as you guys can see. Like, it's very noticeable. It's probably the first thing that people are going to see. And this guy is going to pull up to car shows, and you know, he's going to be out and about, you know, showing off the Evo because it's a, you know, a car scene kind of car. So we wanted to make sure that we left our stamp on this car, you know, as much as possible with, you know, the minimal amount of effort, because like I said in the video, we're not getting paid to do a two-step. You know, even though we had the manpower, we had the tools, we have the proper knowledge and, you know, professional expertise of Tony Roudas, but, you know, it just wasn't worth doing the two-step. So all right, you guys, so you guys just saw Tony polish this half of the hood, so you guys can definitely see the big difference once I transfer over to this section of the hood. Just look at the light, follow the light, and you'll see the drastic change on the hood there. So let me go ahead and get back over here so y'all can see. And this is the side that was corrected. So Tony did two steps. We're gonna go ahead and do one step all over the entire car. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the time lapse and the B-roll and stuff like that, because we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the work and get this car ready for pickup. All right, too, so we are all done. I'm over here looking rough, man. All right, so we are all done with this Mistubishi Evo right behind us. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this camera here, try to hide it somewhere, and I'm gonna try to get our client's reaction to seeing the car being done. So, like I said, we did a paint enhancement on this. We did a full interior detail. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you saw both parts. But make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, share with your friends and everything like that. Hustle never settle. Catch you guys in the next one. Let's go ahead and see our client's reaction.
Oh, damn.
Yes, sir. Looks nice and good. You can take a look at it, and I'll tell you what we did and stuff like that. How's it going, man? We did the headlights as well and put them back in the box for you.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah. So the hood actually needed more passes. So we actually did that for you because we did one step and it was just like not coming out how we wanted it to.
Yeah.
Even all around the paint, you still see scratches and stuff like that because of the package we got. But yeah, overall it looks a lot better, especially the hood, man. I think we took pictures and videos, so I'm gonna show you.
Yes.
But, man, it was definitely
everything recorded.
Yeah, it definitely.
I want all that.
Okay, yeah, for sure.
If you can send me that would be awesome.
All right, perfect. Maybe you could post it.
Yeah, definitely.
Your friends and stuff like that.
Oh yeah.
We touched up the headlights too, make them look even and stuff like that. I know they weren't too bad, but
yeah,
still went ahead and did that for you.